This week I've been working really hard in the garden, so today's episode is going to be a little different. Hey everyone, how's it going and welcome back. Autumn and winter is the time to get those big jobs, those heavy jobs, those landscaping jobs done. And that's exactly what I've been doing over the last couple of days. In fact, I've been working in a corner of the garden that I've never shown you before. And rather than putting it into one single video that gets released on a Sunday morning, I've decided to record my progress in a series of little YouTube Shorts videos. The first one is going live now, and the rest of the videos will go live during the week. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I post each of the videos. You can check out the first one right now. It's linked here. And until next time, see you later.